Hey, what's up everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Jimbo, and today we're gonna be looking at this product right here by Vonixx, a new brand that I actually did a video about, their ceramic spray, which I was so impressed about. I'm like, hey, I actually wanna check out other products in their range. So they sent me this. This is the Ceramic and Carnauba Wax Black Edition. So I've done a few previous videos on black waxes, and when I got this one, I was like, there was a lot of positive feedback on that, and a lot of people that are interested with darker color cars that are looking for products that will help maintain their cars look better. So cars that maybe have some love marks or have some swirls or some imperfections, they're not perfect, but they're looking to for an easy to use product will enhance the color of their car without having to put a bunch of extra work into it. So something like that's a spray and wipe that they can use as a maintenance product that makes their car look incredibly good. So today we're gonna test out this Vonixx Blend, and so I'm gonna bring you in close, talk about some specifics about the bottle, some instructions on the label, and then we're gonna actually apply it to this GMC Sierra behind me and do a 50-50, and then I'll bring you in tight with the light. We have the scan grip out to see if it actually does anything to the paint. So all that and my commentary coming up in this video. So let's talk about Blend a little bit. Blend is a ceramic and Carnauba spray wax, and it's the black edition. If you read the on the back, it was specifically formulated for black or / dark color cars. Not the highest level of protection, but again, we're talking about black and dark color cars, so we're not going for extreme durability here. And in this video, what I'm just trying to show is, can we, with a simple spray and wipe product, actually deliver on a really good result, especially on a maintenance detail. Maybe you own a black car and you just want that little bit of pop, but you're not gonna do a full paint correction or anything like that. You just want a simple, easy to use spray and wipe product. So it does boast that it offers 4 months worth of durability and does have SiO2. So ceramic SiO2 is important to you, but you want the Carnauba glow. And that's what I'm really honing in on right now with some of the tests that I'm doing outside the camera recording, is that a Carnauba or a wax glow is very different than the ceramic glow. And I think that's why you see stuff like this, ceramic and Carnauba infused, because there's a very different look to a Carnauba product on the painted car surface versus a ceramic. And so this one kind of blends both of those. So yeah, there's a QR code if you want to learn more, but let's apply it to the black car behind me, do a 50-50 shot, and see what we can do with just a simple spray and wipe product. So what I'm going to try to show you is, this car is obviously not super hammered. This is a client car that actually takes care of his car, but puts a lot of love marks in it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the blend, and this is a black edition for the ceramic and Carnauba spray wax. So you're going to get some of those ceramic capabilities, but also the Carnauba. And really what I'm learning is that Carnauba wax is going to really help with the glow and the slickness. So I'm just going to spray a couple sprays, and I have a little 50-50, and the goal here is not perfection, because especially for a lot of my customers, you know, if you have a black car, you have to not be worried about perfection. So I was just looking for a product that is easy to use, that adds a nice glow to black cars, that'll fill and hide some of the swirling, just for maintenance washes and stuff like that. So, I mean, obviously I'm doing a very small dedicated area, but it's nothing crazy on the application. I do take a secondary microfiber towel and just kind of buff off if you get a little bit of streaks, because black shows everything. So the application is very smooth, and let me bring in the camera to show you what I'm talking about. So here's the before, and then here's the after. Now, of course, there's still a lot of stuff in the paint, but that's not the point. The point is, with the simple spray and wipe, can we fill it and make it look better? So there's the before, and then after, I don't know, what, 5 seconds worth of work. So still stuff in the paint, but significantly better, glossier, and guaranteed your customer, or you, if you have a black car, are gonna be way happier with that result versus that. So that's after a car wash, and then after applying the blend, so significantly better. Right, so what did you think? To me, in fact, I just pulled in 2 people off the street, well, in my complex here, and showed them the 50/50, and they're like, wow, how do you actually use that product? Is it simple to use, or what, is it difficult? And I told them, no, it's just spray and wipe and you're good to go, and they actually want some. So that to me is like, if a normal consumer, a normal person who may be driving a black car, crazy enough to drive a black car, can notice a difference with the simple spray and wipe, that's a winner for me. So I'm excited to kind of deep dive into more products like this that have more attributes and just like crazy durability. I think we found those, and the cool thing with this is you could actually use it on top of coated surfaces, and you're gonna build up that layer of protection. So say you have a black car and it's been perfectly paint corrected and then ceramic coated, but some of those kind of scratches are in the coating, if you will, or maybe even beneath, but in the coating, this would be a perfect maintenance product to maintain a black or dark color surface car. I'm really glad they added that in, because a lot of people get like, well, if I have a dark gray car, could I still use it, or is it black only? So I like that. So let me know what you thought in the comments below. And of course, I'll have everything that I used today linked up below as well. So if you want to make a purchase, it'll be easy for you there. Thanks for watching this video. I'll catch you on the next one. See ya.